say I'm starting my thing, Frank is in front of me, and Frank gets close. So I'm not comfortable. I don't even know Frank that well. So how do I go back? First most advanced step. Second most advanced step. As I go back, one of the things I can do, cat stands, heel mount, the hanging step, right? You, right? Hanging?
You, yeah.
Hanging. Heel mount. We sometimes call it kicking stance. You see it in Thai boxing all the time, right? So, the first thing you do, obviously, is, as he comes towards you, shift back into that heel mount and push kick him. Right? Let him walk right into that spirit. This is doubling your force, right? When he comes in, try to be nice. Okay? Second one, I don't need to come all the way around for this round. If we're here, I want to come around because if I just do this, you see I'm right in front of his punch. Because he's stepping into me, though, he's concerned with this. So I do. This is what we call a Holland kick. Because it's very common with Holland kickboxers. It's not coming at a 90-degree angle. It's coming up and in. So, up and in. You got to be nice with it. And again, it's because it's happening so fast, he's not going to count to punch me. But I'm not worried about turning all the way over to cut through. I'm coming up. Now, this is one round kick. This is the most standard one. This is the Holland kick. It's all blah. It's all about the blah kick. So, 2 drills for this going south on the north-south axis. Step back, push kick. Step back, Holland kick.